Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a story that had many of us on the edge of our seats, wondering about the fate of our beloved moon. But fear not, as it turns out, the moon is safe from an asteroid collision, at least for now. Imagine discovering a massive asteroid, over 100 meters wide, with a chance of colliding with Earth in the not-so-distant future. That's what happened in 2024 when asteroid 2024 YR4 was spotted. Initially, it was considered the most dangerous asteroid in recent decades, with a 3.1% chance of hitting Earth in 2032. But, as they say, things are not always as they seem. What makes this really interesting is the chain of events that followed. Scientists quickly ruled out the city killer scenario, but then turned their attention to the moon. They calculated a 4.3% chance of the asteroid colliding with our lunar neighbor. Now, this is where it gets fascinating. While there was no direct threat to Earth, the potential impact on the moon could have had some serious consequences for us here on Earth. Lunar debris from the collision could have interfered with our navigation and communication satellites, causing some major disruptions. Personally, I think it's a testament to the power of scientific observation and collaboration that we were able to quickly assess the situation and rule out this potential risk. It's a great example of how we can use our knowledge and technology to understand and mitigate potential threats. Now, here's where the story takes an intriguing turn. As the asteroid continued its journey, astronomers believed they had a unique opportunity to observe it using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope. The asteroid, reflecting as much light as an almond at the distance of the moon, was an incredibly faint target. But the telescope's sensitivity and tracking capabilities made it possible to study and refine the asteroid's orbit. And guess what? The observations showed that 2024 YR4 will safely pass the moon at a distance of over 20,000 kilometers. So, while some scientists might have been a little disappointed that we missed out on a science experiment, the potential risks were simply not worth it. This story highlights the importance of ongoing research and the capabilities of our advanced telescopes. As technology advances, we'll likely detect more objects of interest, and while that might lead to some brief scares, we also have the tools to quickly assess and rule out potential threats. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, but one that we're increasingly equipped to handle. So, the moon is safe for now, and that's a relief. But the work continues, as the Planetary Defense Team at ESA reminds us. We must remain vigilant and continue to detect and track near-Earth objects to ensure we're always prepared for any genuine dangers that may emerge. I hope this story has given you a deeper appreciation for the ongoing work in planetary defense and the fascinating world of asteroid tracking. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the universe around us.